He has 160,000 subs, over 1,000 videos. I actually remember this guy because when I was in chiropractic college, I remember watching some of his videos. And he's been, if we go down here to oldest, 13 years ago. So he's been doing the whole YouTube thing for quite some time. If we go to popular, I guarantee he's got some big videos. Yeah, 7.5 million, 5.8 million, 4.3 million. So some big numbers, high six-figure videos there. But if we go here to latest, you can see something along the way has definitely changed, because now he's getting 1.7, 2,000 views, not even 2,000,